Hello, I'm going to show you how to set up a highlighted Windows pointer or cursor. In my case, I will use it for OBS Studio, but you can use it for any other application. As you can see, I went back to my regular cursor, it's not highlighted. So let's begin. The first thing you have to do is download the file where the cursors are contained. So here is the link, which we have it in the bottom of the page, and basically click here where it says download, save the file. It's a zip file. Open the file so you can see the folder, extract all the files, the file location is fine, and you'll see all the 10 pointers. The first thing you're gonna do with those pointers is rename them. You're gonna rename them with the Z underscore, and you're gonna do that for all of them. Okay, so basically this will be a little bit tedious, but you will see the purpose when we change. Okay, now all my files are renamed, all begin with the Z. Okay, now what we have to do is find out the folder where we have all the cursors. So basically, normally in Windows is C : /Windows /cursors. Okay, there we go. Once here, we're gonna move all those files into the cursors folder. Unit Pro Administrators accepted. Do this for all the items, continue, and all of them will be moved there. We can close this window, we can close this window, and actually we can minimize this now. Okay, and now we have all the files into the cursors folder. Now we're gonna go to the search bar and search for control panel. We open the control panel and we click on the mouse icon. That will open the mouse properties. Once in the mouse properties, we click on pointers, and basically we're gonna start selecting each of the cursors we need to replace. First one will be the normal select. We double click on it and it's gonna open the cursors folder. So now we're gonna scroll all the way down where all our Z name folder files are, and look for the file we want to replace, for the cursor we're gonna replace. Double click on it, and basically we're gonna do the same thing for all the cursors. Scroll all the way down, and let's see, I'm gonna do vertical resize all the way down, and this is vertical resize. We're gonna go horizontal resize, same thing, and diagonal resize all the way down, diagonal resize, it was diagonal resize all the way down. This one, yes, it's this one. Then move all the way down, move alternative select all the way down, and we have the pen handwriting is there if I'm not mistaken. And handwriting, and finally the pointer link select, and it's here. Then we have replaced all the pointers. Before we click apply, we are going to click in save as, and we're going to name as anything you want. And this way I'm going to put age pointers as highlighted pointers. Click OK, and then I'm going to click apply. As you can see, now I have my pointers change when I use, and they are highlighted. Okay, so now I can close everything. I can open anything, and basically I have the highlighted pointers. Now I can close this one. So we're all set. You can use your highlighted pointers for anything. One more thing before we finish. Open Control Panel again and right click on the mouse icon and ask to create a shortcut. It will say no, they cannot create it in there. Create in the desktop, and there you have the shortcut for the mouse properties. Why you need this? You're gonna open this and click on pointers and go back to your Windows default scheme and apply. That way you are back to your regular pointer, and whenever you need the highlighted, open the mouse properties, click in pointers, and look for your scheme, apply, and then you have again your highlighted pointers. Thank you very much. Hope this will help. Bye.